Hi, Burn. In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can make a blogger blog private. Somebody asked me about this last week, and the process is fairly simple if you know where to find the settings. So log into your Blogger dashboard, as I have here, and go into Settings. And then you'll scroll down here under your Basics, and you can add authors, or you can change your blog reader setting. So we're going to change our blog reader setting from public to private, and you say only blog authors. If you've added all your students as authors, they'll be private. Or if you want to make it so that people can only read it if they've been invited, you can select private and then add in some emails. So we'll add a reader, we'll add in an email address, let's say Mason. And you can use Gmail addresses or any other kind of email address. And now we'll save those changes. Now when these people go to visit the blog, they'll be prompted to add their email address. So for example here, if we wanted to view this blog, if someone is viewing it and they haven't been invited, so let's go ahead and open a new window over here. You'll see this message. This blog is only open to invited readers, and they'll be prompted to sign in with their email account. So that's how you can make a blogger blog private. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check